Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought as I have a little bit of makeup on and I'm feeling a bit perkier than I have done in a few days, I'd film another video today. I've just done a video to show my new Louis Vuitton shawl. So that one should be up just before this, so if you're interested, go ahead and go and watch that one. But I also wanted to unbox this that I had delivered today also. This is a sale purchase. I got this for a bargain. Now, I haven't actually seen these bags in real life. In fact, I've only ever owned one other Coach bag until Christmas, that is. And for Christmas I did buy myself this bag, which is the Coach Chelsea Crossbody. I bought my nan and my mum a handbag for Christmas and I was feeling very left out, so I decided that I was going to buy myself a bag as well. Saw this one half price in the sale. It was down from £225 to £112.50, and I really love it. I wanted this bag because I love the colour. So it's like a berry, well, it's called berry. It's like a purpley berry colour, purpley pink. It's kind of like a pinky oxblood, I would say. Oxblood, but more on the pink side. Anyway, and this one came with the like gunmetal hardware. Here it has a detachable crossbody strap, and also this shoulder handle that just either use like that, or if you're not using it, it just sits on the front of the bag. Doesn't get in the way. I love it. It's quite a small bag, but very deceiving. It fits a whole load of stuff in. I am using it at the moment, so it does have my things in there, but that's the inside of the bag. And there is a zip pocket. I think that's it actually on the inside. But I've really been enjoying this, and after I bought this bag I was perusing the sale again and I found this, which is called a Rexy charm. I love dinosaurs. Love dinosaurs. I never ever grew out of dinosaurs. So to find a dinosaur that is kind of rainbow coloured, and it's got a little lightning bolt as well. You can use it as a key ring or a bag charm. But I love this. I'm absolutely obsessed with David Bowie, Harry Potter and Lady Gaga. So the lightning bolt there reminds me of all of those, and I love it all the more for that. And it's so strange because when I bought this bag you can actually monogram the tag. If I can find the tag. Here. You can monogram the tag if you wish. Makes it so you can't return it, but I was okay with that. But instead of letters I actually chose some symbols. See if I can get it to focus. So I have a unicorn, a lightning bolt and a T-Rex on there as well, and they're in gold, but it's like a hologram gold. You can see like there. So I'd already done that. So, and then when I looked in the sale and then they also had this little guy, I was all over it. So that is my Chelsea Crossbody. I was still looking at the sale because I'm in it's Rebecca Minkoff and Coach Facebook group, and on the page I'd seen that somebody had written that Coach were now offering an extra 20% off sale items with the code SALE20, which is actually still active. If there's anything on there that you like the look of, use the code SALE20 in capital letters, and you get an extra 20% off the already highly discounted prices. It's fantastic. So that was my excuse for buying this one. I'm going to unbox it first and I shall tell you the story of why I decided to get this. So my Chelsea bag did come in a gift box. It was an option to have it in a gift box. This one has not. So inside we have just the dust bag. And the paperwork. Put that down there. So we'll go through the paperwork. First it comes in this little like envelope sleeve. And there is return labels and just your gift receipt, invoice and return details. Here is the dust bag. It's kind of a slightly silky material, drawstring dust bag. Okay. And inside is God, I can't get it out. This is the Coach camera bag in the colour light rose, and it has gold hardware. It looks like, and I was suspicious of this in the first place, but it looks like that someone had this, got it home, unwrapped it all and then sent it back. The reason I say that is because there were no camera bags, just the plain leather camera bags available in the sale any time that I looked, apart from this one time when I found this. I kind of jumped on it because it was down from £250 to £125, and then I had the code for the 20% off, which brought the price of this bag down to £100. And I also used Top Cashback and got, I think, about an extra £5 back with cashback. So, and I did post on the Facebook group that I'd got this bag. And then when people went to look, and I then went to look again myself, there was none left. So this had literally gone on, I'd spotted it, bought it, and then it was gone. There was no more. It's not even on the website anymore, you can't get it. So I think it was probably a return. I got it as it had been released back onto the website, and then that was it. So I was expecting, to be honest, that it was going to come unwrapped, but that's okay as long as it's in perfect condition. I don't mind that it's unwrapped at all. But there's the, do like that, the product label that's still attached. This is my first time seeing this, so I'm just going to inspect it and make sure that it's in perfect condition. Yep. So this bag is in the colour light rose with gold hardware. This is actually a pocket on the front, and there is also a pocket the same on the back. They don't have any magnets in, but you know, they're quite a tight slip pocket. So I think your receipts or tickets would be safe just pop down in there. It has a tassel on the zip pull, and the zip pull is a large gold hoop there. I actually quite like that. You can stick your fingers in there and open it. It's nice and easy. Really smooth zip. And then inside, just take the stuffing out. Inside is a card with the care instructions. A little bit about Coach there. And there is one zip pocket there with another tag there. So there's the zip pocket there, which has the do they call this the creed or something, the with the serial number on it for the bag there. And on the other side is a slip pocket with a leather trim. It's fabric, the inside is fabric, but the zip pulls and the like the trims are all in the leather there. It seems to open nice and wide. It's quite, although it's sturdy, the leather is quite soft. It feels like nice quality leather. But yeah, it looks perfect, no flaws. And the strap is adjustable. There is I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes. That's a good amount. Because I'm a big girl and I've got quite big boobs, I need my strap length to be longer to kind of compensate. So that's really good for me that it's got those extra holes there. The strap is leather, but the bottom part here is gold chain. It's actually really nice. I like that. And then it's got like dog clips to make it detachable there. And one thing I really like about this bag is I did have a Gucci Soho disco bag in black, and although I loved that bag, loved the look of it, loved the functionality of it, the thing that I hated more than anything and what made me sell it was that the strap was sewn on in the middle of the bag. So what would happen is I'd pick the bag up and it would do this. It'd flip and I'd have to shake it to get it to go back the right way up. And I tried so hard to love that bag and to find a way of making it work, but it just, every single time I used it, it would end up, I'd get so frustrated with it and I had to sell it in the end. So what I like about this bag is that the strap is actually attached higher up on the bag, so it's not going to flip over. And I've just noticed as well that the strap is sewn on the front of this flap and the back of this flap, so it'll sit nice and straight on the side of your body. It also comes with the tag like I had on the other one, although I didn't have the option to get this one monogrammed, so this one is just plain. It just says Coach on the side there. But I really, really love this. It's gorgeous. The colour of this bag is like, do you know what it reminds me of? That, you know, when you get a lipstick and they call it like Your Lips But Better, and it's that like dusky rose colour. That is what colour this bag is. Like a, yeah, like a dusky rose, or like an antique rose. I will just go over the details that I got off the website. So again, this is called the Coach camera bag in the colour light rose. It has gold hardware. It was originally £250. It was marked down to £125, but with the code SALE20 I got an extra 20% off, and that made it £100 in total. It is polished pebbled leather, has a zip closure and fabric lining. It has the 2 pockets on the outside and then the zip pocket and the slip pocket inside. It has a detachable strap, and it says on the website that the strap drop is 56 centimeters. So I don't know if that is like the longest or what it comes on, but it says 56 centimeters. I'll try it on in a second. It measures 21 centimeters across. It measures 16 centimeters in height and 7.5 centimeters in width. And the little like description that they had on the website says it's inspired by vintage camera bags. This simple silhouette unzips to reveal a spacious compartment. The minimalist everyday design is crafted in polished pebbled leather. So let me just see if I can try it on for you. So this is kind of on the middle length strap. That's it, just on my shoulder, on the middle length. That kind of hits my hip bone. And that's crossbody. And then if I move the strap down a bit, see what it looks like on a longer strap. That's the shortest length, so that's like a good length if I was going to wear it as a shoulder bag. And this is the longest length. So maybe better if I was wearing it crossbody. I'll show you the Chelsea in comparison. The Chelsea I have on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, on the 5th hole. So there's the Chelsea and the camera bag. There we are next to each other. But yeah, really pleased with that. One other thing that I just thought I'd mention about the Gucci Disco bag that was a little pet peeve of mine as well, was on the back here, when I wore it against my body, this part here seemed to collapse in almost like that. This bag feels much more sturdy, like the sides are more structured. Although it's soft, it doesn't feel like that's going to collapse in on itself quite as easily. It may do in time, but it definitely feels more solid. So there we are. There is my new Coach camera bag in the colour light rose. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll try and get back to you as quickly as I can. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.